Somebody asked me if why is it that I am so much or so I am that so much mad for someone else. Well, actually, to be honest, hindi ako galit. But then, I'm so sad. Hindi ako ganun kagalit, pero nagagalit ako. It's because that person knows everything about me, everything of what I've been through the last time bago ako nawala sa lugar kung saan ako nawala. But then, he did it again. So, sino hindi magagalit dun? But then, what I've been getting mad is that yung nalaman ko sa iba na ginagawa pala na ganun. And, is it really good? Yung manluloko ka ng babae, mamemera ka ng tao. Well, actually, ako wala naman akong pakialam sa pera eh. As in, wala. If someone gets in on me, fine. Kung hindi ibalik, then fine. Pero yung naiisip ko na yung ginagawa mo pala is panluloko ng ibang tao, panluloko ng kung sino-sino, talagang magagalit ako. It's because hindi lang pala ako yung nabiktima mo, marami pala kami. So why would I not why would I not gonna be angry sa ganong klase ng tao at ugali? Right?